Hello guys, welcome to the new section, Convolution Neural Network. In this section, we will configure an image dataset, learning the architecture of CNN classifier, and lastly, create new convolution layers. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with downloading and configuring an image dataset. In this video, we are going to work with a Safari dataset. We start with loading the libraries and start a new TensorFlow session. Download the dataset from this website. Once the dataset is downloaded and untarred or unzipped, read it in the R environment as train and test datasets with the help of this code. The function takes the file names of the train and test batch datasets of the number of images to retrieve per patch file num images and input parameters. The outcome of the read data Safari function is a list of red, green, and blue pixel data frames for each image along with their labels. Then, flatten the data into a list of two data frames, one for input variables or images of length 3072, and the other for output variables or labels of length 10, using this function which takes two parameters, a list of input variables xlist data and a list of output variables ylist data. Next, generate flattened train and test datasets using this code. Change the working directory to Safari 10 dataset. Once the list of input and output train and test data frames is ready, perform sanity checks by plotting the images along with their labels. The function requires two mandatory parameters, index, image row number, images RGB flattened input data set, and one optional parameter, images lab flattened output data set. This figure shows train image along with the label. Now transform the input data using Max Standardization Technique. The preprocessed function from the package can be used for normalization. The range option of the method performs min-max normalization in this manner. That's all about configuring the image dataset. Cool!